bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate it. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty with your baton, racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiato, with Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love, maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside, I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night, can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right, can't decide but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Black drinks we call A-cups, I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right, with that gorgeous face I don't know your name, it ain't important baby, cause I'm all mine.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be
Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Say to me sometime, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same experience love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, throw down dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we were waiting. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look and jaded. Most of these things I wanna say, I wanna be around when you chase
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money ran, cause the army, the Navy, it ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. Foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them I close, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them, come finish you. Know you being charged, yeah, you look like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 any people. President's attention, I fly, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like coke on the engine. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm just quick on the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm coke on the pavement. $1 million, $100, give me, you gon' go crazy. Wham, get on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I close, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, then you got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way, and living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I close, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, then you got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way, and living like this, they supposed to have.
How can I love somebody else? How can I love somebody else?
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cut.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Mslynn hair, and today I'm reviewing this amazing 13x4 lace front unit from them. And one thing that I want to talk about before I even talk about anything else is the fact that they gave me a free hot comb in my order, and I just thought that was so dope, because it's like, it's not every day that you get a whole like hot comb with your unit. So I thought that was such an amazing free gift. I don't know if they're gonna send that out with all of their orders, but it was definitely a great surprise to see that in there. But nonetheless, let's get into today's unit. So today I decided to do a swoop bang kind of vibe. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's been a minute since I've done it. I really do like this unit, you guys. It's so full all the way from the roots down to the very ends. I'm very impressed by that. You know, a lot of times when we get these units, especially when they're straight, we want them to look as full as possible, because there's nothing worse than getting a straight unit that's like super thin looking. But this one is nice and full all the way from the root down to the very ends. Like the ends are not like all extra sparse or anything. So I really did like that about the unit. Here's an up close look at the unit. As you guys can see, it looks so good, so natural, like from the root and everything. And I did customize this unit by bleaching the knots. And I did not pluck this unit, you guys. Surprisingly, I didn't pluck today's unit, not because like I didn't want to, I just didn't pluck it. But it still came out pretty good. I'm not mad at it at all. So as far as the length on this one, I would say this is possibly like a 22 to a 24 inch. But I'm gonna go ahead and stand up so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. And for reference, I am 5'2". So here's where it's hitting on me in the front. So it looks like in the front. And then sitting down, here's another view. Like, you know, she does some really good quality. Like, I really do like this hair a whole lot. Another thing that I'm really feeling about this hair is the color. It's such a beautiful, like, true jet black color. And I know a lot of you guys out there tend to like dye your units like a jet black color, and you don't have to do that with this unit because it's already like super black. Like, I love how dark it is, you know, because a lot of times when we get these units, they come in like a natural brown kind of color, but this one is actually a true jet black color. It looks so healthy. It's so beautiful and shiny, as you guys can see. But all in all, I'm really impressed with this unit. But I will say, like, you do have to, if you are gonna pluck this unit, just based off of how dense the hairline was, I would say that it's gonna take you a while to like really pluck this unit, because I did tell you guys like how full it is. So when you get this unit, just expect to like have to like really take your time and pluck the hairline so that it looks like more natural and realistic. And it's gonna take you a while, like I could just tell. But as you guys can see, even though I didn't pluck it or anything, it still looks pretty good. Like, you know, even with like pulling my hair behind my ear, like without, you know, plucking it, I still think it looks pretty good. So, you know, I'm not mad at it at all, and I actually have no complaints today. This unit is also a breathable unit, and that's one thing that I almost forgot to tell you guys about. So this unit basically has it where the inside is exposed, so that way like your natural hair can breathe underneath. That's actually a really cool feature that I've been noticing a lot of companies have been doing lately. And this unit also has the adjustable elastic band inside. One side is hooked on and the other side is sewn down, so you can make it as loose or as tight as you need it to be. And it also has the adjustable straps in the back, as well as combs throughout the unit. I tend to cut my combs out, but I do keep like the very back comb just in case I need to like hook the unit underneath my braids or something. But all in all, I mean, as you guys can see, this is just an absolutely amazing unit. So flowy, so healthy looking. I just absolutely love it. So if you love it as well and you want to give it a try, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to today's hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Mslynn Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.